We're getting ready for a trip, and things are a bit messy.
In this video, we'll help you learn useful English for traveling.
Let's get started.
I am packing my suitcase. Packing a suitcase means placing your clothes and personal items inside before traveling.
Bonus word number 1. Luggage. Luggage is the bags and suitcases you take with you when you travel.
I am handing over my ticket. Handing over a ticket means giving it to the staff so they can check you in.
I am fastening my seatbelt. Fastening a seatbelt means securing the safety belt across the body.
I am paying the fare. Paying a fare means giving money in exchange for transport on a bus, train, or taxi. Bonus word number 2. Fare. A fare is the money which is paid for a journey.
I am boarding the train. Boarding the train means stepping inside so you can start your journey.
I am collecting my luggage. Collecting luggage means taking your suitcase off the baggage carousel after your flight.
Bonus word number 3. Carousel. A carousel is the moving belt where luggage arrives after your flight.
I am checking the departure board. Checking the departure board means looking at the screen to see the time and gate of your flight.
I am closing the window shade. Closing the window shade means pulling it down to block the light.
Here is another bonus lesson. Block the light. Blocking the light means to stop light from coming in.
I am waiting at the gate. Waiting at the gate means sitting in the waiting area until it is time to board your flight.
Bonus word number 4. Boarding a plane. Boarding a plane means walking up the steps or through the gate and entering the plane.
I am putting my luggage in the overhead compartment. Putting luggage in the overhead compartment means lifting your bag up and placing it above your seat.
I am checking the weight of my luggage. Checking the weight of your luggage means placing your suitcase on the scale to see how heavy it is.
Hope you enjoyed watching this video.
If you did, be sure to like and subscribe.
See you in the next lesson.